Deep in a green, green forest, where sunbeams danced on the leaves, lived a little bluebird named Pip. Pip wasn't the biggest bird, nor the strongest, but oh, he had a very special gift. Every morning, he would perch on his favorite branch, take a deep breath, and let out the most beautiful song you have ever heard. His melody would float through the trees, a sweet, happy tune that sounded like tinkling bells and warm sunshine. One morning, a fluffy, brown squirrel named Squeaky was busy burying his nuts. He heard Pip's song and his little ears twitched. He stopped his work, sat up, and began to tap his feet to the rhythm. "What a lovely sound," he chattered happily. Soon, a gentle deer named Willow, who was sipping water from a sparkling stream, lifted her head. Pip's music reached her, and she felt a wave of joy wash over her. She started to sway gracefully from side to side, her large, soft eyes filled with delight. The forest was no longer just quiet and green, it was alive with music and dance. Then, a big, friendly bear named Barnaby lumbered out from his nap in a cozy cave. He grumbled at first, but when he heard Pip's cheerful song, a huge smile spread across his furry face. He couldn't help himself. He started to clap his big paws together. Boom, 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 adding a deep, friendly beat to the song. Soon, all the animals of the forest gathered around Pip's tree. The rabbits thumped their feet, the foxes swished their tails, and even the little frogs in the pond croaked along in a happy chorus. The entire forest was filled with music, laughter, and friendship, all started by one little bird's beautiful song. Pip saw all his friends smiling and dancing, and he sang his heart out, happier than ever. He learned that sharing his gift brought the greatest joy of all. We hope you enjoyed our story today. If you liked singing and dancing with Pip and his friends, please give us a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more fun adventures. See you next time. Bye-bye.